Alright. Hello, I'm Chris Gaskin and welcome to my channel Ultra Woody. And this is Ben.
Hi, welcome back. And it's me
Yeah,
again.
alright, hang on a minute. We want to wish you a happy Christmas and a very happy new year. I intend to do videos throughout, and I don't know if you realise it, but I don't do bowl videos, I just do what I fancy doing. So there might be a bowl in there, but mostly it's something different. Okay, let's put that on properly. Alright then, I know I said in the last video I will never do Christmas tree wood again because it turns horribly. Here I am doing another bit of Christmas tree wood. Okay, this is a bit of Christmas tree. I'm going to turn a little Christmas tree out of it. Okay, once again, happy Christmas everyone. I'll see you at the end. Happy Christmas.
Yeah, happy Christmas.
Alright, let's get on with it. Thanks for staying to the end of this short video. Okay, I finished the Christmas tree, made from Christmas trees, and here it is. It's turned out nice. What do you think, Ben? Do you like it?
Not bad, but I rate this an infinity out of 10.
Okay, alright, infinity out of 10. Whatever that means. Alright then, nice bit of live edge on there. And it's come up nice and bright. Very white. Okay. Well, thanks again for staying with us. I hope to see you in the new year. Ben? Happy Christmas.
Happy
Christmas.
and a
Happy New Year. Okay. All right, then. We'll see you soon. Bye.
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 And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah. All right.